to another episode of Rose and Gold. Everything is everything. IK is currently on location right now. He is not on set with us because he is on set doing bigger and better things. We'll get back to you guys on that on our Instagram, rosengold.us. So make sure to follow that. But let's get straight into our hot topics.
Like it's hot, drop it like it's hot.
You all caught me in a jam sesh, but I have time for the hot topics. Starting it off with our first hot topic, Miss Taylor Swift and her new boyfriend, Chiefs player. So we're gonna put the photo of both of them right here, and allegedly, fans are not a fan of him.
Oh, get him out of here!
He was recently on a podcast speaking of Taylor Swift, and he described her as awesome and said that it's a deal breaker if a woman won't sleep with him after the third date.
What did you just say?
So what we can truly tell from this is he is very, very immature, and Taylor Swift seems like a person in her own right that is very mature, and this guy seems like he is 12. For my own personal reaction. So I'm going to put a thumbs down on this. I'm going to have to agree with the fans. Taylor doesn't need to be with a boy right now. Or maybe she does. The next Taylor Swift song is going to be completely off the chains if she breaks up with him.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
On to our next hot topic. Bruce Springsteen postpones the rest of his 2023 tour dates. He has canceled all of it due to a mysterious illness. He hasn't mentioned which illness, but he just said he's canceling all his tour dates for the rest of this year because of an illness. Mr. Bruce Springsteen, stay up, playa. Stay up.
Can you believe that?
And I'm terribly sorry, Bruce Springsteen. Sorry about that. We hope that you feel better. We hope that this illness passes, and we hope that you can get back on tour and get back to your fans. We love you, Bruce.
Yes, sir.
On to our next hot topic, Joe Jonas and Sophie Turner. We all know that they've been going through their divorce right now, but Sophie Turner allegedly seems like she is not really caring. It looks like she was probably the one to initiate this divorce. She was recently seen, once again, out with Taylor Swift, and they went for a full night of clubbing, all the way out until 6 a.m.
Congratulations! Oh.
Taking what they call our caviar shots all night and dancing and hanging out with new men. So this means that Sophie Turner is officially done and ready to leave the marriage with Joe Jonas. And we can't blame her.
I think I finally know what your main problem is.
Let's get into our next hot topic. So Angelina Jolie says she's founding new fashion studio, and it's been really therapeutic for her. She says it's the reason why she stepped away from film. She says, I don't feel like I can be myself. I haven't felt like myself for a decade. Angelina Jolie, I just have to tell you now, we respect you, we love you for the incredible actress that you are, but personally, as one actor to another actor, when actors start becoming completely ungrateful for their films, I cannot be a fan of this. I can't support it. When she starts saying that she's tired of filming because she hasn't been herself when she's filming, that's completely what acting is. Acting is about becoming a new person.
Yes, sir.
And you get paid for every single role that you go into. So, I mean, it's a double-sided coin. But we are also glad, on the flip side, we're glad that you feel like you can find art and love in something else. This fashion studio, we're excited to see what you're going to do with it. Let's see if you're going to make some clothing line as well. IK and I, if you've kept up with the Rose and Gold channel since the beginning, IK and I do have our fashion clothing line as well as our hair products available for purchase on our Instagram, rosengold.us. Our newest slides, our newest sandals that IK will be posting on the website as well, and we will be posting photos about that on our Instagram soon, are now the bubble slides. Stay tuned because that was a really exciting project for our designers to work on. We're really excited for you all to get a sneak peek of those and get a pair for yourself before Christmas. As well as the Jamaican sunglasses. They are unisex. I'm wearing a pair right now, as well as we have this pair as well. All these items will be up for sale on our Jamaican shampoo website, on our Instagram, rosengold.us. So make sure to get yourself an item for Christmas. Great gifts.
Yeah, man.
Let's get into our next hot topic. So Katy Perry and her husband, Mr. Orlando Bloom, are in hot water right now.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Allegedly, Miss Katy Perry and her husband Orlando Bloom are suing a 1-800-Flowers, that's the name of the company. The founder, she's suing them for $15 million. A lot of fans and a lot of people are really angry at Orlando Bloom and Miss Katy Perry because they say that Miss Katy Perry and Mr. Orlando Bloom are targeting the weak. Because for them, they are suing this founder for $15 million. Okay, they won the case, and so now this person is the family of a dying vet, and that vet just got evicted from his home, and so now the family is really struggling right now. So it's kind of a coin toss-up. Our personal opinion here, you can't really say because I'm sure Miss Katy Perry and her husband had their reasons for suing this company. But then again, I don't think it's right to sue so much money from people that don't have as much money as yourself.
Like it's hot, drop it like it's hot.
Maybe sue them a lower amount, $15 million. To them, to Katy Perry, might not be a lot, but to the less fortunate families, that is their entire rent. Apparently, yes, their whole house.
You can't keep getting away with it.
We're sending our thoughts and prayers to both sides, to Miss Katy Perry and her family, as well as the 1-800 founder and their family as well. Hopefully, the Flowers founder can get some sales out of this, and the fans can do their part and help them out, instead of cussing out Miss Katy Perry and her family. Let's get into our next hot topic. We're gonna go ahead and go on a lighter note and mention the She's Hot contest winner for today. Our She's Hot contest winner is none other than Miss Sophie Turner. Congratulations on your win, Miss Sophie Turner. You have been out and about. Since leaving Mr. Joe Jonas, we've seen a new woman. You have completely changed full circle, and we are definitely here for the improvement. When IK and I are next in LA, we would love to sit down and have lunch, brunch, or dinner with you and speak about business. Congratulations on your win for the She's Hot contest. Once again, always looking for another thing. Keep partying with Miss Taylor Swift and find yourself a new man, like I know you're doing. On to our final hot topic, we're gonna go ahead and mention Miss Britney Spears. So, we all know Britney has been a little bit interesting on her Instagram. She's been dancing and living her best life. But recently, she alerted fans and she alerted authorities because everyone's a little bit scared that Miss Britney has lost it. She posted an Instagram video dancing around with knives, and she put in the caption, found some knives in the kitchen and I thought this might be fun. And then deleted it after fans got really worried. Britney, our only statement on this hot topic would have to be, leave the knives in the kitchen. It's Britney, bitch!
It's Britney, bitch.
And now we will close off our hot topics, but we do want to mention some great friends of ours before we close off these hot topics. First of all, Cat Tattoo with Miss Sherry. Mecha Matcha, soft serve buttery yogurt ice cream. Waylon at Anvil Tattoo. And our dear friends at Yank Apparel, as well as Mr. Dave and Miss Renee. Their photography is amazing. We're gonna put some of their photos right here. They have taken photos for my brother and I's headshots in the past. They have taken photos for family, friends, business. They do it all. Go book yourself some photos with Mr. Dave and Miss Renee's photography, as well as we want to say, Miss Luenell, keep your head up. We heard that you recently just got a new show with Netflix. We love to hear it.
Dig this. I grew up always seeing one shoe in the street. And I wonder, where's the other fucking shoe? Why did both shoes not fall out? I don't understand. And then I had a baby. And you guys just got this motherfucking child lock shit down a few years ago. But before then, the minute these little bastards could reach out the fucking car seat, they push that goddamn window down and take their shoe and throw it out the goddamn window.
IK and I would love to put you in our next film, so stay tuned. As well as we did want to mention, as you can see on the table, we have some of our children's books. As you know, IK and I have 40 completed children's books, as well as 35 movie strips. We want to mention too the Personals Film for everyone that has been keeping up with our Personals Film on our Instagram and our YouTube. We have not forgotten about the amazing crew and the amazing actors that made the Personals Film possible. We are still in the post-editing process, and it will soon be submitted to film festivals as well as theaters soon. So, we will close off these hot topics. See you guys again